Hello Group 2 aspirants, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about Group 2 syllabus analysis for Telangana State Public Service Commission. In this episode we are going to discuss about overview of pattern of the exam, paper wise marks, subject allotted. This is overview of Group 2 syllabus. In the syllabus, it was included 4 papers. Along with that 4 papers, there is an interview of 75 marks. Here in this episode, we are going to discuss about paper 1, 2, 3, 4. Subjects in details, and it was in objective type question paper in the paper 1. So paper 1 consists of 11 topics, right from current affairs to the basic English. In the first topic, current affairs, regional, national and international. In the topic 2, international relations and events. Topic 3, general science, India's achievements in science and technology. Topic 4, environmental issues, disaster management, prevention and mitigation strategies. Topic 5, world geography, Indian geography and Telangana geography. Topic 6, history and cultural heritage of India. Topic 7, society, culture, heritage, arts, literature of Telangana. Topic 8, policies of Telangana state. Social exclusions, rights issues and inclusive policies are covered in topic 9. So topic 10, logical reasoning, analytical ability and data interpretation. Topic 11, basic English, that is up to 10th class standard. So paper 2 consists of 3 topics. So topic 1 clearly consists section 1, section 2, section 3. So in the section 1 we are going to see the history topics, that is related to national and state, and section 2 polity topics, section 3 society topics. So in the section 1 there are 5 chapters. So in the 5 chapters we are going to see the history of India as well as Telangana. So 5 topics includes all the 3 history topics, that is ancient, medieval and modern. So section 2 consists of overview of Indian constitution and politics. So here in section 2 it was included, there are 9 topics, right from the framing of constitution, historical events and latest challenges. In section 3, social structure, issues and public policies. So paper 3. So paper 3 consists of economy part, economy and development. So in this paper also there are 3 sections. So section 1 consists of Indian economy, section 2 consists of Telangana economy, and section 3 consists of issues and development change. So paper 4 purely consists of Telangana movement and state formation. So these total paper 4 also divided into 3 sections, that is section 1, section 2, section 3. So section 1 consists of the idea of Telangana, so which comes from 1948 to 1970. So section 2 consists of mobilization phase, it comes from 1971 to 1990. And in the last, section 3 consists of the formation of Telangana state, covers from 1990 to 2014. So as I said, this video is only for beginners. So from where to start this group 2 syllabus and which books has to read? So don't worry guys, there are few tips for you to start the group 2 syllabus. So you have to start from basics. So where we get from these basics? You have to read from school books. So from which class you have to read? You have to read from 3rd class. So from 3rd class onwards, you have to get all the books to read from basics. So in our school level, the primary classification of subjects are English for communication, maths for calculation, science which teaches around surroundings, and social is about society. Apart from these subjects, there are 2 more languages are there, that is regional language as well as national language. But here in our TSPSC group 2 syllabus, we are going to get the syllabus of these topics. So English topics. So English topics which covers basic English up to 10th class. So where is this in group 2 syllabus? It covers on the paper 1 and topic 11. Okay, after English, maths topics. Maths topics covers in paper 1 10th topic. In this part, we are going to get reasoning, aptitude, mental ability and data interpretation. These topics have started from class 3rd and up to class 10. So science topics. So generally science has divided into physics, biology, chemistry in higher classes, higher school standards. But in the lower standards, it was a common topic called EVS. So we are going to get questions in the group 2 syllabus of 3 topics, that is physics, biology and chemistry. And in science and technology part, we are going to get a few questions, and some topics are included in the paper 1, that is disaster management, science and technology and some mitigation strategies regarding the disaster management, which covers in paper 1 topic 3 and topic 4. So coming to social studies. In the social studies, we are having 4 basic topics which covers all the social topics, that is geography, history, civics and economics. So in geography part, we are going to get world geography, Indian geography and regional, that is Telangana geography. So that covers in 5th topic of paper 1. History. In the history, as I said, paper 2 section 1 covers 5 chapters. It includes all the Indian history and Telangana history. The history has classified into 3 groups, that is ancient, medieval and modern, that we are going to discuss there. And in civics, it covers the topics of Indian constitution and politics. It covers in paper 2 and section 2. Economics. Here in the school standards, we will learn about the basic terminology regarding the economics, but we are not going to get any questions regarding pure economics. We are going to get the topics related to economy, that is Indian economy and Telangana economy, which covers section 1 and section 2 of paper 3 respectively. So other topics: sociology, arts, literature, heritage, culture, social exclusion. These are also topics in social. So apart from all these primary subjects of classification, there are 2 more topics, that is current affairs and international relations and events, which comes under paper 1, topic 1 and 2 respectively. So these topics will get information from our daily newspapers. So in the meantime, for further videos, I am going to give a detailed explanation regarding each subject chapter wise. So thank you.